Do you believe that I can make your success come true? I can make it guaranteed to come true. Maybe you heard that success is never guaranteed, but that's bullshit. Success can be guaranteed if you're gonna follow the plan, the script I made. The first thing you have to do is to focus on only one task. Focus on only one thing, on only one goal you want to achieve. Because if you want to be truly exceptional in something, you have to focus on only one thing. Maybe right now you want to start YouTube channel, you want to start working out, you want to run marathon, you want to, I don't know, make $5,000 per month online. No. You have to follow only on one of them. If you want to be truly exceptional, follow only on one of them and be the best at it. Focus on it that much that even the thoughts you will have while you are shitting, or while you are in shower, or while you are going to sleep are gonna be about your goal. You have to be obsessed over it and be unreasonable with it. You have to do everything that is in your power to achieve it. The second thing is work 10 times harder than is expected. Work 10 times harder. That's it, that's the rule. If you want to start working out, work out every single day. Maybe twice. Do it fucking twice and focus on it. It may sound like a bad advice, but that's the best advice I can give you to be the best at anything. Do you think the bodybuilders just build a muscle mass from working out 2 times a week? No, that's bullshit. They are working out every single day. And if you want to be better than them, just work out 2 times a day. You have to be unreasonable with this. Yeah, sure, you have to eat like 250 grams of protein and be in caloric surplus. But these are the things that are gonna follow. And the last thing is, don't compete, but dominate. It may sound that these words are not in contrary, but they are. Competing is focusing on other people and trying being better than them. But dominating is focusing on yourself and trying to be the best version of you that is possible. Just remember, other people don't want you to see at the top. Maybe your best friends, yeah, they want to see you succeed. But everyone else just doesn't want you to be at the top. They want you to suffer. They want you to be worse than them for them to feel better. That's what they really want. That's what maybe some toxic friends want. That's what other people want. Dominating means doing everything that is in your power to accomplish that goal. Dominating means focusing on me instead of others and being in the zone, in the focus mode every single fucking day. Success can be really guaranteed if you're gonna focus only on one task and do everything that is in your power to achieve it. Then it's guaranteed if you're gonna work 10 times harder, work better, work harder, work smarter than everyone else. You have to outwork them all. And the last thing, don't compete but dominate. Be the best at what you do and be known for it. Remember, when someone says working out, they attach your name to it in their minds. You're gonna be that good that when someone says YouTube, they're gonna remind them that you are the YouTuber. Thank you for watching this video.